Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, backup camera, leather upholstery. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.